The General Lee's parked in my garage once again.
Why is it every time you come over here, Chris, you're broken? What are you doing, dude? High five. But the new plan is Chris is just gonna come here, so we might get to have a funner video. So I guess we'll just wait for Chris to show up tonight because it's gonna be late. He's a little behind schedule, so it's gonna be fun. We're gonna mess with him. Damn it, I didn't buy any sheep. Inside joke for anybody who knows that one. You're awesome. All right, wait on Chris. I think sounds pretty fucking good. But yeah, I can smell the oil when you pulled in. That's not, that, yeah, that's just carbon. Yeah.
That one, the wind's blowing it that way. So
Yeah.
that's just humidity.
Yeah. Welcome to Kansas.
Yeah.
Again.
Well, you know, it hasn't stumbled or nothing.
Really?
So I put that last plug in.
Been fine?
Yeah, it's been 300 miles. It hasn't stumbled, farted, burped, or nothing.
Perfect.
It fixed itself.
Hey, look, that's still there from the last time this GoPro was on there.
Yeah.
That sounds really healthy, Chris. You know, not just to immediately shove a camera in your face, but...
Oh, Doug used to it.
Oh, yeah. Well, you're Mr. Famous
Yeah, right.
YouTuber.
Let me show you the... So this was spark plug. Wait, where's the original one?
So, if anybody's curious what we're talking about, Chris has been telling me updates on his trip.
Oh, yeah.
And we've been having an oil burning issue or something.
That's number one.
Oh, yeah, that's totally oil. Wow, dude, that's awful.
That's
Jesus.
number two.
That's getting better.
Yeah. So I'm curious what that one looks like.
Yeah. I got the garage all heated up for you since you're kind of a desert.
Well, it's warmer here than it was when I put the last spark plug in.
Well, we're...
Yeah. Well, I need a wiper motor too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you do have a 3-speed motor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what this spark plug looks like.
Yeah, I'm kind of curious myself because it wasn't doing anything this time. Or at least not noticeable anyway.
The things you don't see on Chris's channel, his really sweet overflow. Like, you see all of his nice work everywhere, just all this beautiful stuff here. Then we got this bad boy.
Well, see, this car is just like a beater toy. This car was never meant to be like nice. Just make it function and go.
There's a lot of nice stuff on here, dude, you've done. And my favorite thing is the Bud Light.
Well, these actually work really good too, the headlight relays.
Oh, yeah. We need to steal all that design from you. How's that one?
It's still burning, but nowhere near as bad.
No, yeah. Either it's getting better or...
That looks more like your traditional valve stems leak there than the first one did.
Do you want to pull a valve cover and check it?
Yeah, probably you gotta really nose it in.
Yeah, we could probably nose it in.
Why don't you check and see what kind of fire it's got while you got it out?
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the spark plug?
Make sure it's...
Well, I checked that at the distributor, but yeah, it's got plenty of spark.
Oh.
No, I will move the garage open. Open the garage.
I'm gonna run down.
This ain't the last time or first time this car was in here.
No?
Oh, there you go.
Well, we don't need the welder, though. I can't. Well, I could have wiggled out of that, huh?
Yeah, you could have wiggled, but you just wanted to look cool. You saw the camera and you were just...
I try not to get in and out of the window too much anymore because it just destroys the seat upholstery.
Yeah.
Like every time I stop at a store or whatever, people are like, oh, you're supposed to do it in and out of the window. It's like, look at the seat.
Yeah. So how is your welded torque converter bolts doing?
That's not in this no more.
You some bitch. I thought we had something special.
Well, no, I had to. The transmission's still attached to the engine.
Oh. That makes sense.
No, it was,
You'll have to sell that on eBay, you know, memorabilia. That video's got like 100-some-odd-thousand views. My half of it.
You're gonna make me put this rusty socket on my...
Yeah. Rusty socket
I guess
on
it's
the
half
fancy.
inch.
Oh, you want to loosen the adjusters first.
No. Oh. Yeah, it's half inch. I'm not gonna loosen the adjusters. They're already set. I'm just gonna pull it off and bolt it back on. Just like stock rockers.
Yeah, go Chris. I thought you were some kind of super mechanic. You
Yeah.
should be able to tell just by eyeballing that shit. I was trusting you. You want a little extension?
You don't need to adjust them.
Oh no, I meant take them off. You should be able to just look at that nut and be able to tell that's half inch.
Oh.
Yeah, look. So look, my eyes, half inch.
That's because you deal in wiener lengths of that.
Well, yeah. You know, welcome to Kansas.
See, at least you give me a socket that I'm gonna work on an engine and I gotta clean all the crap out of it.
Well, we work on a lot of crap here. Like that turd bucket behind this. Video to
Dart?
come. Oh yeah, well the Dart is a giant turd bucket.
It looks cool though.
It looks kind of neat. It's gonna get the side pipes again.
I would probably match paint those flares.
Oh, I am. I got actually I got a quart of paint.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that'll be spray
With
good.
an actual paint gun?
Yes.
Okay.
That had to be custom mixed. Is that even smaller?
Yeah, I guess yeah. So Mr. knew that was half inch.
Well, I was testing you.
Oh
Clearly
yeah,
you found it,
7/16.
Paper towel. Chris, you've been hanging around with movie stars too long. Jesus.
Lack thereof.
The nice. There you go.
Are you gonna spread it for me? Oh, one's.
Well, the last time someone asked me to spread was well, we don't talk about that. This is only the finest Scott's Beach Shop underwear material. Minimal stains. I don't know what that one is, so don't ask.
Gucci.
Oh, that almost fell off. There we go. Fancy. More money in rockers right there than I probably got in my entire car. So what's the plan here now?
Well, don't you have some old rockers and an old shaft?
Oh yeah, yeah.
You just cut a notch into one of the old rockers to make the claw, and then just weld a little bar to it, and then
Oh fuck, that'd be handy.
that's
All
what that's how the Dulcich does it.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, into my rocker stash. So, from the Dulcich, we got to get this on camera. We're going to take one of these bad boys. Probably this one gets the cleanest. Cut out the center right there. What a thingy on there. And pry it. From the mind of the great Steve Dulcich.
I gotta go poop.
Oh, that's perfect timing. That's perfect timing. Yeah, don't worry, Chris. I'll have your car put back together. Just, you know, I'll add it to your bill. Alrighty. Time to clean. Okay. Game plan. Sorry, Chris. My deal. So, take rocker. Hit this worthless metric wrench because, well, nobody uses metrics. And that'll be our valve dealy majigger tool.
Yeah.
We're going on a little bit of a crunch, so
We're
use your imagination, guys. Sorry. I see the red now. Chris, let me tell you, it's really pretty watching the sparks go right off, bounce off this orange paint. It's really gorgeous. It really goes with your eyes. I'm kind of falling in love.
Yeah.
How'd that tool turn out, Chris?
I don't know. We'll find out here in a second.
Yeah, let's see if it's gonna work.
I think it'll work out.
Think so?
Yeah.
A lot of play on that rocker.
What?
Oh, a lot of play on the rocker. We'll probably have to run your nuts down and tighten the shaft on there.
Yeah, maybe it's the intake gasket, but
Yeah.
whatever it is, it's gonna go back together for now.
Yeah. Well, the seal was fine. Valve's got a little, I mean, just tiny amount of play, which I think is normal.
Yeah. Well, it's hard to test the other ones because they all got springs on them.
Yeah. it's not worth taking another one off just to check it.
No, it doesn't. It feels.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel bad.
It's not much. I mean, it's literally like 5/1000ths of an inch.
Yeah.
It's not enough
I think you're feeling an exaggerated part of it because it's the stem sticking out of it.
Yeah, that too. But I think it's fine. I mean, your plugs have been clearing up.
Yeah.
I mean, when you get to Georgia, pull another plug, see what it's like. Now we get to put it all back together. Yay. Oh, we did make that sweet tool. We're going to name it Steve.
You like our tool?
I ain't gonna go there.
Oh, God.
That sounds a little sketchy.
Yeah, a little sketchy. So.
I didn't even mean for it to sound dirty until after he said that.
Yeah.
And then I caught on to it.
Yeah.
So if the seal in the valley, you know, your intake port's here and that valley plate comes up over. And Chris, did you use a gasket or just silicone?
Gasket.
Okay. So, you know, at idle, there won't be no oil frothing around, no vapors, no nothing. But at a higher RPM or a load, that vapor is going to be all over inside of there. And if, for whatever reason, that port didn't seal down properly, it's going to suck that shit in. It's a 1 in a million chance, but I don't really think that could be it. But that's the only other thing I could think of off the top of my head. Chris, you will never have seen this. Is like brand new, dude. I'd charge you for that one.
What's the warranty on it?
Out of my driveway, which
Can I? If I take, does it count if I take a little piece of your driveway with me?
that's up to Dad.
Easy.
I'll say this. Okay, so your warranty on this plug being good is 30 seconds idle time or out of the driveway.
Well,
Then your warranty's up.
sounds like a Chinese warranty there.
It's the best you're gonna get, man.
Horsepower is that guaranteed for?
9,000.
You can back that up.
Racing.
That's 9,000 naturally aspirated, 40 million.
I've never seen one with the electrode don't go, you know, clear over the top of it.
Yeah, they're cut back so they get a little better spark.
Yeah. Is that the racing part of it?
Yeah. It exposes more of the flame to
I can see how that would be.
Yeah.
Do you want to double check the gap on it?
Those are gapless.
Gapless.
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of magic mystery are we living in now? Wow. Gapless spark plugs. Next thing you're going to tell me is you have no points in that distributor.
Well, I guess you could. Yeah, I guess you could gap it a little bit, but it's really only a fine edge to gap.
Yeah. Chris ruined my spiel I was on. He was going back, no, it's electronic. What is this wizardry? You mean it just makes spark?
It still has the original duct tape on the firewall too.
It does.
Really? Rigid.
Why is it every time you come over here, Chris, you're broken? Why?
Maybe the car just regrets coming here. It was trying to stop me from coming here.
So it broke down here.
It was trying to stop me from getting here, yeah.
It's good to know it's got a little hole, a little charger hole.
Well, it's got 2 other chargers here. You know, this is 69. We got a 70 and a 68.
Let's race.
If only... well,
Only it was white. We'd have red, white, and blue.
that is
Yeah.
true. I want a white 69 just for that. I think that'd be pretty neat. Oh, we got Chris's engine fixed.
We haven't fired it up yet.
Yeah, no, we haven't fired it up, but there wasn't actually anything wrong with it. Don't know what the hell. We got cold. You're squeaking a little
Belt.
bit.
Huh?
You're squeaking a little bit.
There's the belt.
You want to tighten it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, shut it off. We'll tighten it.
It's better to do it while it's running. They just got some weird.
Oh.
The pulleys aren't the right size.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you be safe, Chris.
Got wheels.
Are you gonna?
I got Hemi power now.
You do have a Hemi. Yeah. That strapped down good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. Like, give it a good heat kick.
I'd rather not. I don't own it anymore. Yep, that's good enough. All right, man. Well, you be safe.
All right. Get my Mustang running for me.
What'd you just do there?
Huh?
That's a General Lee, Chris.
Huh?
That's a General Lee.
I know, my seat's all messed up.
I can't believe you just opened the door.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Unfortunately, what you are about to miss is Chris actually jumping through the window of his car like a true Duke would. But thanks to the GoPro deciding it no longer wanted to record video, it just wanted to record Chris's face and record our audio. Well, unfortunately, we lost that great ending. So use your imagination, guys, and thanks for watching.
All right, good. I'll see you later.
Yeah, take care, Chris. There you go. Like a real Duke.
That would be kind of funny.
Yeah. Well, you be safe, man. See you later, Scooter. And once again, the GoPro failed us. Oh, he's got a brake light out. Ain't good. Well, there he goes, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and look forward to seeing the next one as always. So take care. Bye-bye.